nice, pretty camera. Say hello to the dog.
She was freaking out all of a sudden.
I had no idea, and she's like, wonder if she can see the dog in front. And I didn't realize they were right in front of me and Rami was in front. You know, she was going nuts, right? I didn't even know why. I was like, what's going on? Didn't know you were in front of me for like fucking ages. And then she's like, I wonder if she can see the dog in front. I looked and it was Rami. She saw you guys go past, smelt him at 120 k's an hour, you know what I mean? 110 actually.
Where's Chatty boy? Standing behind you.
Yeah, Chatty.
Hey guys. It's taking.
Me. Up.
Good boy.
You have food?
Dude, how good's this?
What?
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Cal should tell everyone why it's good to walk on rocks with your bare feet.
Well, I tell you to put lacrosse balls in the bottom of your feet because we don't do this anymore. So see how this doesn't hurt my feet at all, really? Because we do that all the time. If we didn't do this all the time, this would be really tender. So this is why you gotta have to do tissue work on the bottom of your feet, plantar fascia. There it is.
Welcome to the Hidden Oasis. Like and subscribe. We get 300,000 views. We'll do another one out this same forest. Namaste. Rami, fuck off.
He's about to take everyone out with that.
Alright. Sorry, in place, dogs, in place. Oh, that's crazy. You go up. Sorry, cow.
It's definitely deep enough, right? Yeah. Bit of a leak.
I didn't land that great. That was so close.
You just took it out, man.
Shit. Alright.
That was sick.
That was sick. Oh, I think it's on. Is it on S&Q mode?
Now put it back.
I'll probably have tapioca. I might even have sweet potato. What else? Berries, yogurt.
Do you want to plug it right now?
The cleanse, 49. Oh no, we're doing the cleanse. Get on board. Wow, what an oasis. How's my first girlfriend? She used to take heaven snaps, and you'd be like this, and she'd be like, stop for a second, and she'd get you to stop, and she'd go, heaven snap. Legit too.
Heaven snap.
Yeah, she was told Christian.
Oh.
You want to carry sweetie?
I'll take the beast through first.
Alright.
Good boy.
Take it back to your car and then we'll hit it.
Yeah, are you guys keen for something to eat quickly?
Yeah.
Sick, let's do it.
Perfect.